In this video, I'm going to show you how you can choose where you want to save your files if you're using a solid state drive and a traditional hard drive combination. So a few weeks ago, I bought myself a new PC and it comes with a 256GB solid state drive, which stores the operating system plus a few other programs. It also comes with a 1TB traditional hard drive. By default, everything is designed to be saved onto the solid state drive, while the traditional hard drive remains empty. So to change this, what we need to do is find the File Explorer. In most cases, File Explorer can be found down here on the bottom toolbar. If not, just click on the search box here in Windows 10 and type in File Explorer and it should come up. So open that up. So once File Explorer opens up, we can see here at the top we have all the frequent folders such as documents, downloads and pictures and so on. If we go to the left hand side again, we can see the quick access menu. If we click on this PC, click on the little arrow to expand it and click on this PC, and we can see here we have two drives. So the OS is listed as C, this is the solid state drive, and the data, which is listed as D, is the normal hard drive. So naturally I want to save all my videos, my music, my documents and so on, and pictures onto the 1TB hard drive rather than the solid state drive. So what we need to do, again, on the left hand side menu, select your normal hard drive. In my case, it's D. And what we want to do is to create a series of folders. So I've created documents, downloads, music, pictures, program files, and videos. Create whatever folders you want. So to do this, right click, then select new from the menu, then select folder, then give your folder a name and so on. So once that's done, we can then go back again to the left hand side menu. So by default, the documents, the downloads, the music, the pictures will all being saved to the solid state drive. So to change this, I'm going to click on music. So again, put your mouse pointer over one of the folders, in my case music, and then right click. Once you right click, select properties. And then once a little box opens up, select location. So we can see here all these music files are stored in the C drive, which is solid state drive, users/David/music. So if I want to move these to the normal hard drive, select move. Then again from the left hand side menu, scroll down to your normal hard drive. In my case it's called D. Select D and then select the music folder you just created. Select that, then choose select folder. Then click apply. It will then ask you if you want to move all your files and folders. Click yes. Click OK. So all those folders are now being transferred. It may take anywhere from a few seconds to several hours depending on the size. So I've done that for documents, downloads, music, pictures and videos. So again, just repeat the same process for each individual folder. So if I just click on music and right click, click properties, you can now see they've been moved to the D drive. Click locations, it says now D music. So every time I save a music file or a picture or a video, they are now being installed on the traditional 1TB hard drive rather than the SSD. If you want to reverse the process, again, just go over to here, right click, properties, location, and then just click restore default, and those files and folders will be transferred back to the solid state drive. So basically, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.